अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और you will be enjoying weather as well. Today's video is about how to color your gray roots. There are two different ways you can color your roots. One is you can use a temporary spray, which is dark brown L'Oreal. L'Oreal की dark brown spray है, temporary spray है. आप इसको जो है वो ये टेम्पररी है क्योंकि अगर आप इसको बालों में लगाएंगे और वॉश करेंगे तो ये कलर उतर जाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड टेम्पररी. ये सिर्फ उन इमरजेंसी यूज़ के लिए है. जैसे अगर आपने कहीं इमरजेंसी में जाना है और आपके बाल कलर नहीं है, सो यू जस्ट वांट टू टच अप योर रूट्स, सो दिस इज फॉर दैट पर्सन. एंड देयर इज अनदर वे वेयर यू यूज प्रोफेशनल हेयर कलर्स. सो प्रोफेशनल हेयर कलर्स जो है वो ट्यूब्स के अंदर आते हैं, तो उसकी मैं पिक्चर भी शेयर कर दूंगी. वो ट्यूब के अंदर आते हैं और आप इसको डेवलपर के साथ मिक्स करके खुद से उसको अपने बालों पे लगाते हैं. बी वेरी केयरफुल एट होम व्हेन यू आर डूइंग एंड इन सिलेक्शन ऑफ चूजिंग कलर्स. मेक श्योर यू चूज राइट कलर विच इज़ जस्ट लाइक योर ओन हेयर कलर. जैसे कि मेरा फॉर एग्जांपल जब मैं अपने हेयर कलर बाय करती हूँ, सो आई बाय इन डार्क ब्राउन. अगर आपके बाल ब्लैक हैं, सो आप don't think you need to use black color, you need to buy black color. Please don't ever use black dye on your hair, even if your hair are black. Always use dark brown shade. And I don't recommend boxes hair color which you get from the supermarkets. I don't recommend them because they've got really strong ingredients in them. They're really harsh for your hair as well. So what I recommend is professional hair colors which you get from professional shops. So अगर आप का बजट नहीं अलाउ करता तो आप किसी भी मार्केट में जाएं, उनसे बोलें कि आपको क्यूने की या इगोरा की जो है वो डार्क ब्राउन शेड में आपको कलर ट्यूब चाहिए, और साथ में आप डेवलपर जो ले लें 6% डेवलपमेंट के साथ मिक्स करें. मैं भी आपको लगाते हुए शो भी कर दूंगी. सो हियर वी गो, we'll just get ready to put our color. I've got my gloves on and I've got my apron on as well, so make sure you do that as well. So I have mixed up here number 5 and number 6. So one is dark brown and another one is black, so I'm gonna mix them both together and mix up with the 6% developer, and that's how this looks like here. You're just gonna mix them. Make sure you only mix them when you're going to apply the color. अगर आप इसको पहले से मिक्स करके रख लेंगे तो उसका जो है वो केमिकल प्रोसेस ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, तो वो बालों के ऊपर ज़्यादा काम नहीं करेगा. So make sure you only do it before applying. Now I've got here my hair section. So I've just done my hair section in the middle. I've put my hair in the front, so it's easy to apply the color. So I'm just going to show you half head color. So I'm going to just going to bleach this one in the front part. So I'm going to leave this. Actually, I'll just leave it now. I was just getting some highlights done for the front part, but I'll do it later. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you how to part your hair. So I've just done in the middle. Middle से ऐसे करें, ठीक है. As you can see, I've got quite a lot white roots, so I'm just gonna apply. Just gonna do half here with you, and then I will do the rest half. And you just leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. Get the color work on. So you're just gonna hold your hair like this. होल्ड करें ऐसे बालों को, इसको बेशक ऊपर को कर ले. सो यू जस्ट गोना फॉलो दिस हेयर लाइन फर्स्ट. तो हम सबसे पहले ब्रश के साथ अपनी हेयर लाइन को ऐसे फॉलो करेंगे, लाइक दिस. मेक श्योर यू गो राइट ओवर ऑन योर फेस, नॉट वेरी क्लोज टू योर आईब्रोज बट इनटू योर फेस, behind your ears, and then lift up your hair and then do from underneath. See here. So right side hairline is done, and we're gonna bring this hair forward, and then we're gonna do this. We're just gonna color on the white roots, just like this. Just two equal sections. Color, spread both ways. Front part आप खुद easily कर सकते हैं, so it's hard to do the back part of your own. So you just have to estimate where would you have white roots, and then you can go on with the roots. So I'm showing you this way. If you don't have enough time to go to salon or you have very low budget, then you can do this at home. Then you're gonna section your hair like this and just start applying color here. Make sure you do it in your bathroom or any open place. Don't do this hair color treatment in your bedrooms or where there is carpet, because once the color is on, you won't be able to wash it. Just got color in my eye. बस आपने लॉन्ग लाइंस ड्रॉ करनी है इन योर हेयर, एंड देन जस्ट कीप अप्लाइंग. जैसे हम स्केल के साथ लाइंस खींचते हैं ना सीधी, तो यू जस्ट गोना डू दिस विद दिस हेल्प ऑफ दिस ब्रश. As you can see, this hairline, the color has already started working on. So once you have mixed your color, make sure you apply it quickly, because इसका जो process time है वो शुरू हो चुका होता है peroxide का और color का ट्यूब का. So आपको जल्दी इसको apply करना होगा once they are all mixed up. As you can see, this hairline, the color has already started working on. So once you have mixed your color, make sure you apply it quickly, because इसका जो process time है वो शुरू हो चुका होता है peroxide का और color का ट्यूब का. So आपको जल्दी इसको apply करना होगा once they are all mixed up. Make sure you do it right on top of your ears, and then again go through the hairline again. ठीक है? So this part is all done. So what we're gonna do is, ये जो बाल रह गए हैं हम इनको फिर start करते हैं इधर से. So just make a section like this, bring up here, and just do it like estimate way, so you can do the back of your hair. इतना estimate जो है वो आपको खुद लगाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि this is the easier way. अगर possible है तो आप इसको सैलून से करवा लें, अगर नहीं तो this is the easiest way. Just divide here in 2 parts and start coloring, making section, and then again at the end just gonna do this. So you can see our half head is done. What is left over, so we'll just bring these here back. ठीक है, अब ये जो ऊपर वाले रूट्स रह गए हैं, what we're gonna do is we just gonna lift up from here and do this. So we're just gonna lift it here and do this. Just lift up and do this. So this is the final look after washing my hair. So you can see I have covered them all with dark brown, so when I've done a wee trim on my hair as well, and I've got some fringe and some front layers too. As you can see, I have covered all my white roots. You can try this at home. You won't be able to cover 100%, but you would mostly get most of your hair colored. It would be hard to do at the back, but just try as much as you can. I hope you liked today's video, and I will see you next time in the next video. Take care.